Hi everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I have a couple boxes of clothing to share with you today, and I'm really excited to open this box. And actually, I need to open this box because the seller is waiting for me to accept the boxes. And I don't know about you, but I have been keeping any packages in my garage for a couple days before I tear into them. And that's really hard for me to do. I love to open a box, especially a mystery box. I did purchase these boxes from a POSHMARK seller, and I do want to read the description. I will leave this seller's information in the description box below if you want to check out her closet. I don't know if she still has reseller mystery boxes for sale. Please check out her closet if you are interested in getting a box for yourself. This is why I tried the box. This was the description. She says, with everything going on in the world, I want to help resellers find a steady place to get inventory if they need it. Oh, where am I? I have a lot of back stock on hand, so I wanted to help as many as possible. 5 items for $10. Can be shirts, pants, shorts, shoes, etc. 1 item new with tags, that's guaranteed. No flaws on any of the items or your money back. And this is a reseller inventory box. She does not list this as a mystery box, so I'm sorry, inventory box. So I guess you can get your money back. She says, not clearance items, will be great brands and great quality, cannot be bundled due to Poshmark weight limits, same day shipping, Monday through Saturday. The cost on this box was $10 plus shipping, so I did order 2 boxes, total price $17.11 for each, 5 pieces. Let's see what's inside. Okay, the inside of box number 1, this is what it looks like. So I like this. I like the presentation on this. Okay, and the first piece is, these are leggings. Who are you by? They look like little leggings. And these are Balance Collection, size small. It's a 4 through 6. They are white, floral leggings, and they do have the mesh panel right there, so these are nice, stretchy. Okay, let's see, number 2 is, this is a brushed knit pant, soft pant, bit of a wide leg there, and these are size medium, Charlotte Russe. These almost feel like a pajama pants. These would be really nice for lounging, but yeah, these are in great condition. Let's see. Next we have something in white. And, oh, this is new with tags. This is a new approach, Anna. And this is, what size are you? This is a 1X, so I like that size. This, let me see if it says what it is. Nope. But the new tag price is $42. So this looks like a halter style white cotton dress. Very nice. Did you guys see that? It's kind of hard to show it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So that's cute for the season. Okay, next up. Okay, we have a wallet. And, oh, this looks like brand new. This is in really, really great condition. And this is, who are you? Okay, this is Liz Claiborne. So I like this. But it's too small for me. I was going to say I'm looking for a wallet, and red is my favorite color, but I think that's a little bit small for me. And then the last piece. Okay, something in chambray. Okay, this is a little fit and flare dress. Look at that embroidery on the bottom. That is so pretty. This feels like new. Yeah, everything smells good too. You guys know I'm a freak about odors. So who are you? Who are you by? This is acclaimed, size 4. So, and it feels like it's lined as well. So yeah, there's lining there. So, okay, that's kind of cute. Okay, that is box number 1. Let me tear into box number 2. All right, here is box number 2. Everything is wrapped really nice. Let's look and see what we have. Oh, we have some We have some shoes, and are these, okay, I don't know if these are Sanuk, but they're definitely a Sanuk look-alike if they're not the real deal. These do have some wear on the bottom of them, but let me see. I know on Sanuk, I know where the size is. These don't have a size on them either, but they're in pretty good condition. And, you know, I think they're a little bit smaller than my size, so I'm guessing these are a size 7. Okay, like those. The next piece is, I don't know, what are you? You're a top, and this is kind of a meshy top. That's what I don't know which side is the front because I don't see a tag on this one. Okay, but we have this symbol. Do you guys know what that is? Can someone tell me what that is? Because I am not familiar, and I see no tags on this. So it looks like a size small to me. So it's kind of a burnout on the front and the mesh in the back. No thumb holes. I don't know. Help a girl out. If you know what that symbol is, let me know. The next piece looks like a t-shirt, and oh, it's a crop top. This is Charlotte Russe, size medium, and there is some lacing detail on the side there. So that's for someone with abs, I imagine. Let's see. Oh, this is a pretty color, and this is the new tag piece. This is by the brand Blushing Heart, and it is a size small, and it's strappy. Okay, I think this is a cold shoulder, but we also have this going on. Got it? So this is kind of a boho piece. It's a crepey fabric. Ooh, look at those sleeves and the crochet lace detail. This one is really pretty, and who did I say it was by? Blushing Heart, and it's new with tags, and the tag says 2420, so size small. Okay, I think we have one more piece in here. Oh, and you know what? I'm sure she put this in the other one too. I just didn't see it. Shoes are a size 7. Thank you so much. Thank you for your purchase, she says. So that's nice. Thank you for the thank you note. And this is the last piece. It is an O'Neill, and these are some soft pants, and with the smocked waistband. And you know what? I see a flaw in them though. There is a hole right there. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it because of the lights. So there is a bit of a hole there, and these look small. These are a size small. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure about these. No, there's not. Okay, so that's what the pants look like. So that's all 10 pieces I received in my 2 mystery boxes. The price of this box was $10, and I did pay the full shipping charge of $7.11. So the total that I paid for these 2 boxes was $34.22. So roughly about $3.42 per piece. That's full price at my Goodwill. So I'm pretty pleased, but I don't know what the comparable values are. So I'm going to recap. We'll go through everything that I got, and I will put on the screen right here somewhere what I found for comparable values so we can see how I did. The first thing are the size 7. I'm so glad that she included that, the Sanuk lookalike, and these are unbranded, but the flip-flops and then the Charlotte Russe, these soft brush knit pants, kind of wide leg. We have those, and then I forgot the name of this one, something collection, Balance Collection. These are really cute leggings, the floral leggings with the mesh detail on the bottom. The Liz Claiborne wallet, and this one is just like new, Liz Claiborne. And next up is this, a new approach, halter style dress, and that's what that one looks like. This one is in a 1X, and the MSRP is $42. I don't believe that, though. There's no way I can sell that for $42, but I'm happy to have it new with tags. It's cute. And then this one was acclaimed, right? Yeah, acclaimed, size 4, this super cute chambray style lined dress. I don't know, I hope I can find this brand, but my suspicions tell me it is a boutique brand. And then this mystery piece with the mesh panel in the back, and this is the logo right there. I don't know. I hope I can find it, and I hope you can help me find it. And then we have the Charlotte Russe crop top there. I'm pretty certain this didn't retail for much to begin with, so this will be going in my clearance closet. And then this super cute piece by Blushing Heart. I do like this piece. And I just think this one is adorable, but it's too small for me. Yeah, this one is a size small. So this one was, do you want me to show you the Blushing Heart? That's weird. Oh, okay, maybe that's the store tag because it does not match the brand label. Okay, anyway. And then the last thing we got was the O'Neill pants. I don't think I'm going to sell these because they are, I don't know, let me show you. Because number one, they have a flaw, if I can find it. There it is. You see my finger sticking out through that hole right there. And that is not on a seam, so it will not be easy to repair. And I don't even like the fabric on these. Let me see what the fabric is. So the fabric on these is rayon, and if rayon isn't washed correctly, if you just throw this in the washer and the dryer, it wears pretty quickly. I don't know. You guys have any thoughts? Would you sell these in your closet? I just don't like the way that they look. I'm sure someone would probably wear them, but I'm not excited about listing them. But this was a lot of fun. I always enjoy a mystery unboxing. I do have a ThredUp mystery box that was delivered today. So that box is in my garage, and I'm telling you, it is screaming my name every time I am in my garage. It's just saying, open me, open me. I can't wait to get into that. And I hope that you will join me for that video to see what I got in my ThredUp rescue box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let us know how you are sourcing. Do you have any creative sourcing ideas right now? If so, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.